Cryptocurrency enthusiasts are getting familiar with Cardano ADA. This crypto token has been in the spotlight thanks to its enthralling positive developments. Despite the crypto winter, the price predictions remain quite optimistic. But this question still seems unanswered. Is Cardano ADA a buy right now? The Swiss cryptocurrency, Cardano ADA, witnessed a price surge of nearly 100% in 7 days in early February of 2021, amid high interest from investors. A potential reason for this surge is the digital coin's close connections to Ethereum, as its creator, Charles Hoskinson, co-founded both virtual currencies. Like Ethereum, Cardano ADA has an open source pattern, and this implies that anyone can develop this currency further. On December 13th of 2022, an ADA token was worth 31 cents. Cardano is not the only coin that has faced significant tumbles in price. Just over a year ago in November of 2021, Bitcoin's market capitalization was the 8th largest out of a plethora of companies and assets traded globally. At that time, a report from the CoinMarketCap revealed that the Bitcoin's market valuation was $1.29 trillion, as each unit was swapping just over $68,000. In the same way, Bitcoin's market cap was beneath silver's overall valuation on November 9th of 2021. The leading cryptocurrency asset was just above Tesla's $1.2 trillion market capitalization recorded a year ago. In addition, Ethereum was positioned in the top 20 positions of assets ranked by market capitalization a year ago as well, as it held the 15th largest market cap. Ethereum's market value was around $570 billion. Its market cap was below the company Tencent, which had a market valuation of around $588 billion. The second leading crypto asset's market cap was above JP Morgan's Chase valuation, which was $499 billion a year ago. Right now, the top two leading crypto assets have much lower valuations than they did last year. Bitcoin is not representing the top 10 standings of assets ranked by market capitalizations, as it is now within the top 30 position and ranked at 26. The current market cap is just below Chevron's market cap of around $336 billion. On the other hand, Ethereum has slid a great deal from the 15th position, as it now holds the 72nd spot with a market cap of about $155 billion. Indeed, this is from grace to grass. Although Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen their lowest lows, the same narrative can be said about a large number of different assets and companies. Some assets, like gold's overall market valuation, conversely recorded increases over the year. Gold's cap in November 2021 was around $11.61 trillion, but now it's only worth $11.9 trillion. Microsoft was the second largest asset a year ago, but is currently in the third position. It is hard to determine whether there will be a recovery or not, but we can all hope for a miraculous skyrocket. While waiting for that miracle, one's investment must be certain. Cardano bulls have been very active lately, despite the drama surrounding Binance and FTX. In contrast to other crypto coins in the market, Cardano ADA has bravely combated the selling pressure. Cardano is positioned as a fierce competitor to Ethereum, and both have the same applications, although Cardano is viewed as an updated network. With this special functionality, Cardano has seen a significant amount of bullish momentum as the curtains of the crypto winter draw to a close. Not all crypto projects will see the light following the crypto winter, but fortunately, some have quite strong business propositions and may be able to keep hold of their momentum. So if you want to invest in a crypto project with high potential, ensure you keep an eye on Cardano ADA. With nearly every cryptocurrency down in 2022, Cardano has definitely been no exception. It is now down 77% for the year to end and is trading at just around 31 cents. According to experts, it is now at real risk of losing its status as one of the top 10 cryptos in the world by market capitalization. However, there is a huge problem, and that of course is the fear surrounding the FTX contagion, as it continues to cloud any of the recent good news coming out of Cardano. However, Cardano has been able to give some pop in the last month of the year as investors and traders finally began to digest this news and what it could mean for Cardano prospects in 2023. The development activity of Cardano remains solid. According to recent developer metrics for November, Cardano posted the highest development activity of any major cryptocurrency. Development activity was 18% higher than its closest rival. As a result of this record, there has been a surge of activity on Cardano. There are now 4,000 smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain, indicating a 300% increase over the past 12 months. First, it was the Alonso upgrade, and then the Vassal upgrade in September. Moreover, as Cardano revealed at its recent developers conference in mid-November, there is some exciting new products on the way. Cardano has 2 stablecoins coming up in early 2023. Given the importance of stablecoins in this DeFi era, this is going to have a massive impact on the part that Cardano can play in the future of DeFi. Being involved in decentralized finance is very essential for Cardano because it is the simplest way to boost the amount of activity happening on the blockchain. If initial reports stand true, there will be a new borrowing and lending of products, and perhaps even new debit and credit card offerings featuring Cardano. All of this will show up in the TVL metric, which is the easiest way to see at a glance of how much activity is thriving on a blockchain. Currently, Cardano ranks 29th among all blockchains, which is not quite impressive. But of course we need to give it some time. There's still a lot of high-profile Cardano skeptics out there. For instance, billionaire Mark Cuban openly criticized Cardano earlier this year for slacking in activity. Also, Sam Bankman-Fried, the ex-chief executive officer of the just-collapsed FTX exchange, refused to give Cardano ADA a listing, which was always much of a consideration to the Cardano community. But with hindsight being 2020, this might have actually been a piece of good news for Cardano. There are also plenty of skeptics who are doubtful of the upcoming Cardano stablecoin projects. Their doubts are probably based on the fact that Cardano has already failed a stablecoin project, which was ADA, and there are real concerns that the Cardano blockchain is not prepared for the new stablecoin project in 2023. From another point of view, the implosion of Terra Luna and its stablecoin earlier this year is still very fresh on everyone's minds. Cardano can pose as a polarizing crypto, but at 31 cents, it is just too cheap. While some Cardano bears are convinced that ADA could fall as low to the 10-cent level, there are just as many Cardano optimists who think Cardano can regain its previous level of 50 cents by the end of the year. And if you are a fan of deep learning artificial intelligence algorithms more than humans, then the most recent AI forecast for Cardano is 42 cents by December of 31st. This might sound uninteresting, but it's a whopping 30% return on your investment in less than 30 days. Taking a long-term view, Cardano remains a trusted, stable, and secure blockchain project that has been around since 2017. Cardano is not going away anytime soon, and it's advisable to get in now at a rock-bottom price of 31 cents and wake up to the immense value that Cardano represents. Yes, there was a major technological upgrade in September, but Cardano failed to leverage it in terms of price. At least it expanded its functionality and made it more developer-friendly. Since then, it continues to fall short of investor expectations. Once one of the top 5 by market capitalization, Cardano is now at a real risk of falling out of the top 10. The FTX Alameda scandal has also contributed to this downfall, but it is definitely worth picking up Cardano right now. The recent complaint about Cardano has been that there is simply not enough use cases for the blockchain, but as we close out the year, this seems to be losing traction. Remember that there will be a launch of a new stablecoin early next year, and this will definitely increase the number of potential use cases for its blockchain. Making Cardano DeFi friendly is a huge step forward, and it will suspend all criticisms about Cardano's failures. There are clearly some short-term catalysts that could move the needle with Cardano. The big exception is the big technical upgrade in September that did not have much impact on its price. So from this standpoint, investors don't really know about wonky technical improvements. They crave huge, splashy moves that show that the crypto can compete head-on with major rivals like Ethereum and come out strong. Bitcoin is still entrenched as the biggest crypto asset largely because it is the oldest and most well-known. Ethereum definitely earned a spot due to its compelling integrated applications, but Cardano seeks to top them both, as it offers the best of both worlds. So in short, it is time to buy Cardano ADA. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let us have in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.